Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your KuCoin 2-factor authentication code. First, navigate to the KuCoin website or open the mobile application. Log in to your account using your registered email or phone number and password. Once logged in, locate your security settings, which are usually found under your Profile or Account Management section. This is the initial step to enhance your account's protection. Next, within your security settings, find the option for Google Authenticator and click to enable it. KuCoin will then present you with a unique QR code and a 16-digit secret key. Open your preferred authenticator application on your mobile device, such as Google Authenticator or Authy. Choose to add a new account, and then select the option to scan a QR code using your phone's camera. This securely links your account. If you cannot scan the QR code, you can manually enter the 16-digit secret key into your Authenticator app. Once added, your Authenticator app will instantly start generating new 6-digit verification codes every 30 seconds. Return to the KuCoin page and enter the current 6-digit code displayed in your Authenticator app into the designated verification box. This confirms the successful linkage between your account and the Authenticator. Finally, click the Activate or Confirm button on the KuCoin platform to finalize the two-factor authentication setup. From this point forward, whenever you log in or perform sensitive actions, you will need to provide the current 6-digit code from your Authenticator app. Remember to keep your 16-digit secret key in a very safe and secure place. This key is essential for recovering access to your account should you ever lose your Authenticator device, adding robust security.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.